stress testing your product. So what does this mean? So we're going to be making changes within these numbers to see whether your product can withstand any changes that could happen across shipping, across inspection, across import taxes, across the rise in price of your product that you're actually paying for. And we want to see whether you will still be able to make profit. This is where this margin piece comes in very, very handy. So the reason why I said 30% is because I know a 30% profit margin with at least a $10 profit per unit will be able to withstand a lot of changes within the market. These changes are highly unlikely to happen, but we want to make sure that we stress this product out as best we can to see if we will still make profit. So the first test of what we would do is essentially increase the price of the cost of the product. Highly unlikely to go up this much, but let's put in $5 for instance and see how that would affect the monthly profit. So let's go all the way back to the end. And we can see here that hasn't changed that much. It's wiped a little bit off of the profit. However, we're still making $5,000 profit a month. For a first product, that's really great. You can further test it by going as far as you can. Let's even go for 10. And as you can see, you still make $3,500. So let's put this right back to 5. And we could increase the cost of inspection to 500. This is highly, highly unlikely to happen, but it's always a stress test that I want to do. Again, hardly made any change. We're still making $4,859 a month. So let's put that back to where it was, 250. Shipping, this is one that I always have to check. I usually double it. So let's go to $2,000 and see. Monthly profit is still $4,409. I would be absolutely over the moon with that. So let's put that down to 1,000 again. Let's say import taxes come in at probably the top end of 7 to 8%. Let's put in 8%. And let's see what difference that makes. Hardly anything, still $5,000. So let's put that back to how it was, 0. The fees, we can even change the fees to $10. See what happens. Still making $3,500. Let's change marketing to, let's double marketing. Let's go to 40 and see what happens. Takes a hit there, 4,409. And actually, let's change marketing, keep marketing to $40, and let's reduce the amount of sales that we could probably make a month to 200. Took a big hit, still making $2,539. So as you can see, you have to stress test your product to see if you're going to still make money after you've stressed it. So if there's any changes in the market, or if you need to increase your spend on marketing, for instance, or the price of the product changes, you're able to take those hits. You're able to continue with your business and continue building a big Amazon FBA business.